welcome back to my channel. And yeah, today's gonna be a hair video because as you can see my hair is freshly washed. And yeah, guys, like tomorrow's New Year's Eve. I was gonna say tomorrow's New Year's, but tomorrow's New Year's Eve, and it just got me thinking a lot, like of things that I want to change, things I want to do. And one of the things that keeps coming to my mind is that I want to go back to relaxed hair. Like I was like the advocate against it for like the past 2-3 years. I've been natural, but it's just got to the point where I'm just so tired of dealing with my hair because it's just so much. So like it's so much, like everyone is always like, oh, but Lorraine, your hair's so nice, your hair's so healthy, it's so thick, it's so this. But it's just such a pain to get through, like, and the more my hair's grown, the more thicker it's getting, and it's just too much. And even like dealing with the detangling, the pain, because my scalp is so tender, like it's just getting worse. So like I don't know what I feel like I'm gonna do. I'll just give it some time and see maybe if it's not just like a phase. But as for now, like I just can't be bothered to deal with this hair anymore. Like it's been nice knowing what my hair looks like in its natural state because I've been relaxed all my life. But if my hair wasn't so thick or like high density, then I would be happy to deal with this hair. But it's just so high density, like it's just, I get like, I know people are just gonna be looking at me like she's just talking, but you don't understand my pain. Like if you were dealing with this, you'd understand what I'm talking about. And a lot of natural people have been going back to relaxer, and hopefully if they're watching, they can vouch for what I'm talking about because it's just long, like, and I've got other stuff to do. Like I have to plan my wash days, plan all of these things. It's just too much, guys, too much. But for now, I'm still in natural, so we'll just see how it goes. Right now, what I'm thinking to do, I'm gonna blow dry and straighten my hair. I don't really straighten my hair, as you guys know. Yeah, so I'm gonna straighten it. The last time I think I straightened it was in like 8 months ago. I did a video where I done my length check, and yeah, I guess that I'm just gonna do an updated length check to see how much more my hair's grown. And if I can, I'll put the videos of when I measured it back then and then the measurements now. But yeah, this is what we gonna do. So before I get to like the blow drying and straightening, whatever, I'm gonna like trim my ends, and I'm not gonna do it like the way I'm supposed to because I can't be arsed. So as you guys can see, there's like bits of hair that's just chilling, and I just need to cut those off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like if you actually know how to like trim hair and you're screaming at the way I'm doing my hair right now, I'm very sorry. This is how it is when you have to do your hair all the time. No one here to help ya. It's not a lot of hair, but I'm gonna be using 3 products to protect my hair with. So there's this, the Cantu. I know, yeah, we use Cantu over here. So the Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I'm using that because at the back it says apply before brushing, styling, drying or setting to form a thermal protection barrier around the hair. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna use, this thing is tired, but I'm gonna use the Pantene Gold Series heat protector spray. Yeah, it's okay. Like I've kind of like used it all up, so there's like this amount left. But yeah, it's good. It protects, I guess, because all the times I've been blow drying, my hair's still, you know, healthy. But I'm going to be using the VO5 Heat Protect Serum. So it controls frizz for illuminating shine up to 230 heat defense. And it's perfect for coarse, dry hair. So that sounds like a bit of me, that does. When I'm straightening, I'm going to be using like the highest heat. But I'm not going to go over it so many times. But to be honest, guys, like my hair's been through so much that it can deal with anything. So I'm not as scared. So that is dangerous though, because that's moving a bit reckless. But at this point, guys, I can't be asked. I can't be asked. Okay, so these are the first ones. So yeah, I've deep conditioned my hair, so hopefully working through this hair is not going to be as like tiring, because I really do not have the energy. And it's just, oh guys, my scalp feels so tender, guys. It's really, so I'm gonna use the LCO method with these things. So I'm gonna spray some of the heat protectant on one side, on the other side, and you know, run that through. I'm gonna use the cream, run that through. I'm gonna use the serum. It's not an oil, but it's got that like texture, so I'm gonna use that to seal everything. And we are ready to blow dry. Okay, so yep, we're gonna blow dry. Right, after an hour, I think, I haven't been checking the time, but this took a long time. So I've blow dried my hair, and oh guys, it's such a painful process. Like, I can't do this. Like, my scalp is so tender for this. Okay, well, now it's time to straighten these sections. I'm gonna put more protectant because I want to make sure that my hair is safe. So I'm gonna put more of this. Like, I've put everything. I've put the spray, the cream, and this, and I'm gonna add more of this as well because it said that it is good heat protectant for up to 230 degrees, and that is just what I'm gonna do. 230 degrees. At least the hard bit is done. I've blow dried it, so as you can see, it looks kind of cute, you know. Yeah. Gonna use 2.5 pumps of that, and oh wow, it feels flatter. That's great. I'm gonna clip. Oh god, this is gonna take ages. Okay, and I'm gonna clip it, and then here goes. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of heat. I want to make sure it gets the roots and proper presses it down. I don't feel like it's doing it. Okay, wait, actually. Hold on there. Okay, I'll do 4. I'll do 4. I'll do one at the back. Guys, I'm so scared. And then I'm gonna do some on the actual hair itself. Okay. Oh, but the ends are still crunchy. But wow, okay, look at the length. Okay, yeah, Okay, cool. It's not like silk press straight, I don't think, but that's fine. Let's do the second. Oh god. Yeah, roots are okay now, and then one pass on the hair. Okay. Right. It feels so stiff, guys. It does. Oh my god. Oh wow, my hair is long. Okay. No, but guys, these are like one of the reasons why I kind of like my natural hair, because it's so pretty. But hey, the roots. That's the problem. The roots. I'm gonna continue with that off camera, and then yeah, I'll be back with the final results. So already, guys, blow dried, straightened. This is what it looks like. And see, guys, it's straightened, but it's still thick. And do you know what the funny thing is? This is how my hair looked like when it was relaxed. This same thickness, but straight and quite damaged because I didn't take care of my hair back in the day. But who knows? I might, you know, get into the flow of doing that if I decide to relax my hair. But yeah, okay guys, I'll be back. So this is the back, just the back. Just the back, guys. Don't know if you guys can see that. Let me turn around. Literally just the two back portions, and it's looking like that. Now I am going to do the rest of the hair, and I'll be back. Right, so guys, I finished straightening my hair. It doesn't even look straightened, it just looks proper blow dried. This is the struggle of life. I really aimed to get like a silk pressed look. Didn't work out. But my scalp is, I managed to, you know, straighten the roots, I hope. But yeah, this is how the length is looking. It honestly doesn't look like I straightened my hair. Don't even know why I bothered, to be honest. But and I'm gonna be measuring it in inches as I usually do, because what's the point doing it in centimeters? So I'll do this side first. Okay, so it is 13 inches, so 15 inches. Yeah, well, yeah, I don't know what's going on, so let's try like that. 13 inches. Okay, almost 18, so 17.7 inches in the middle. Okay, the front is 17 inches. That one's 18 inch. Let's do it from here to say, I'm going to say my hair is 16 to 17 inches. 20 inches my hair is. Wow. Okay, that's that side. Let's see this side. That's crazy. Can't believe it. Man said I have 20-inch hair. So here. Yeah. 20.2. Like that. Yep. Okay. So my hair's 20 inches. Okay, I think my hair has grown because I feel like last time it was 18 inches. So that's quite good considering I cut a lot of my hair as well. But yeah, this straightened hair is really not straightened. But yeah. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time with another video. Hopefully my hair will still be natural, but if not, then, you know, because I have made multiple warnings in this video that it could happen, but we'll just see how it goes. Okay guys, bye.